Hey Fit Fam, today I'm going to show you a quick simple recipe to make some roasted red potatoes. Stay tuned. Hey Fit Fam, these are ingredients today. Basil leaves, minced garlic, garlic and herb, sea salt, and of course red potatoes. Links to all these ingredients will be in the description below. Step 1 is set your oven to 400 degrees. You do this first by telling you everything ready, so oven ready to be heated. Next, you're going to wash your potatoes. This is very important. Before you cut up or anything, make sure you wash it first. After that, you can start cutting your potatoes. Get your nice cutting board and start cutting away. Cut nice small pieces so when it cooks thoroughly through. It doesn't take forever. The bigger the pieces are, the longer it takes to cook. Now you're gonna let it sit in salt water for 20-25 minutes. After that, drain it out, and then time for our seasonings. First off, we'll start with Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. Next up is some minced garlic. And finally, some basil leaves. Now we're gonna mix all this together, make sure all the pieces of potatoes get some of that seasoning on it. Now it's time to prep for the oven. You're gonna spray your non-stick cooking spray on a cooking tray. You know I always use my butter, 0 calories, 0 everything cooking spray for this. And you gotta put it all over the tray. Now you're gonna add the potatoes to it and get ready for the oven. Once you have it ready, you're gonna place it in the oven for 40 minutes to an hour, depending on how dark you want it. And then once it's out, let it cool and enjoy. Now it's time for the review, guys. And now that's cooled down, time for the taste test, guys. Give me a nice roasted one with got a little color to it. The flavor, guys. No fork, because it's my cooking. I love it like that. You don't love this, guys. If you try this recipe out, let me know. If you have any recipes you want me to try, please leave them below. And hey, love what you do. If you don't like it, why are you doing it?